Welcome to the GPD Trading Bot. We see that you loved 5-second signals, so we've decided to run a marathon from $55 to $5,000 using our bot. You can find the previous part by clicking on the hint and in the description. Now all you need is to create a new Pocket Option account and deposit there at least $55. After verification, you'll be able to use this workspace where you can choose the asset and expiration time. Then you just open a deal on your new Pocket Option account, and that's it.
Moobert. 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 Moobert.
It's not a problem if you face a minus deal. Just double up your trade amount and open a deal once again.
Moobert.
GPD Trading Bot can't give you more than one minus in a row, but it's better to change the asset if minus was received.
Moobert.
This was some unexpected result. Looks like Pocket Option lagged there, or it was something supernatural.
Moobert.
By the way, we successfully doubled up our balance.
Moobert.
You can find the original bot in the description. Good luck,